Hello once again. Let's get into the process of doing some more questions on property of triangles. The next question is, he says in a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, angle C is 60 degree, angle C is 60 degree, angle A is 75 degree, angle A is 75 degree. If D is a point on AC such that area of triangle of triangle BAD is root 3 times area of triangle BCD. Find angle ABD. Find angle ABD. Let's make the figure first of all. It says this is the area, this is the triangle BABC. ABC is triangle where angle C is, ABC is here. C is here. C is 60 degree. A is 75 degree. And D is a point here on the line AC. D is the point on line AC. Suppose this is triangle, area of this triangle is delta 2, it is delta 1. This total angle will be 45, 75 plus 60, 45. So suppose this is theta, this will be 45 minus theta. 45 minus theta. Because the angle B will be 180 minus 75 plus 60, 105 minus 60 uh, will be 45 degree. Total angle is 45. So angle DBA is theta. So angle CBD will be 45 minus theta. The relation is what? Area of triangle BAD is root 3 times the area of BCD. Delta 1, area delta 1 is root 3 times delta 2. Delta 2 is the area. Delta 2 is the area of DBC. Area of triangle DBC is delta 2. Area of triangle ABD is delta 1. The relation is that delta 1 is a bigger area. It is root 3 times to area of delta 2. Now let us calculate the area. Suppose let me calculate delta 1. Delta 1 is the area of triangle ABD. How will I calculate the area ABD? Half into BD into AB into sine theta. The product, half into the product of two sides into the sine of the included angle. So half into BD, AB is what? C, into sine theta is just like that. We don't know. Uh, Delta 2 will be half into BC into BD, BC into BD into sine 45 minus theta. Sine 45 minus theta. It will be half. BC means A into BD into sine 45 minus theta. Now let us equate according to the relation. Uh, as per question, as per question, what do we know? We know delta 1 is equal to root 3 delta 2. This is given. The area of triangle BCD, area of the triangle BAD is root 3 times the area of triangle BCD. So delta 1 is half into BD into C is a side, into sine theta is equal to root 3. Delta 2 is half into A into BD into sine 45 minus theta. BD will cancel from both the sides. Half will cancel from both the sides. Now we'll be left with C sine theta is equal to root 3 A sine 45 minus theta. Okay. Now what is C? C is, if I apply the sine law, the side C will be K sine C. K sine C. K sine C. K sine C. Sine C. K sine C. And it will be root 3 K sine A. Sorry, sine theta will also remain. Sine theta. K sine A sine 45 minus theta. Now KK will obviously cancel. Sine C means sine 60. Sine 60 into sine theta, because C was 60 degree, root 3, and A is 75. A is 75, so sine 75 into sine 45 minus theta. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Sine theta is equal to root 3. Sine 75, I don't know. I have to calculate. I'll just calculate for you. Sine 45 minus theta. Root 3 will cancel. Now I have to calculate sine 75. Sine 75 is sine 45 plus 30. Sine 45 plus 30. Sine 75 can be calculated by applying sine 45 plus 30 sine A plus B, which will give me sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, cos 30 will be root 3 upon 2 plus cos 45 1 upon root 2, sine 30 1 upon 2. So it will be root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So now I can put that value. It will become sine theta 1 upon 2 sine theta is equal to sine will become root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 and sine 45 minus theta. This 2 will cancel with this 2. And what will we get? A root 2 sine theta. We can get root 2 sine theta, and here I will get root 3 plus 1 sine 45 minus theta. Sine 45 minus theta. Now sine 45 minus theta means sine A minus B. Root 2 sine theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 sine A minus B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. That is root 2 sine theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 sine 45 1 upon root 2 cos theta minus 1 upon root 2 sine theta. 1 upon root 2 will come out common. Root 2 sine theta, root 3 plus 1 upon root 2 will be common. Cos theta minus sine theta. Root 2 can go to the side. It will become 2 sine theta. 2 sine theta is equal to what? Root 3 plus 1 cos theta and minus root 3 plus 1 sine theta. Now let us bring sine theta to one side. Sine theta cos theta one side. Okay. 2 sine theta plus root 3 plus 1 sine theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 cos theta. If I take root 3 plus sine theta common, it will become 3 plus root 3 sine theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 cos theta. Now sine theta upon cos theta will become root 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus root 3. Okay, so tan theta, what am I going to do? Root 3 plus 1, I can take root 3 common. So it will be left root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 will cancel. Tan theta will come out to be 1 upon root 3, which is tan 30. So theta will come out to be 30 degree. He wanted BAD. He wanted angle BAD, I think. He wanted angle BAD. He wanted angle BAD. Sorry for this thing. Angle ABD. ABD, which is theta. Which is theta. So we have calculated angle ABD to be 30 degree. Angle ABD is equal to 30 degree. It is little long calculation, that is all, but not difficult. Okay, let's go through once more through the question. He says in a triangle ABC, angle C, as you can see in the figure, angle C is 60 degree, angle C is 60 degree, angle A is 75 degree. If D is a point on AC, D is a point on AC such that the area of triangle BAD, the bigger area, is root 3 times the smaller area. D is taken in such a manner that the whatever the bigger triangle formed, that will be root 3 times the smaller area of the smaller triangle. So we have taken two areas, delta 1 and delta 2. Delta 1 I have taken as the area of the bigger triangle, and delta 2 as the area of the smaller triangle. Now I have assumed this angle DBA or ABD, which is let angle ABD is equal to theta, then angle CBD will be 45 minus theta, because total angle was 45, because 60 plus 75, 135, and 180 minus 135 will give us 45. Now let us calculate the area of the triangle delta 1. Half into two sides, BD into BA, BD into AB, and the angle included between these two sides is sine theta. So half BD into AB into sine theta. We have written BD into AB is small c into sine theta. Now let us calculate the area of delta 2. Delta 2 is half into BC into BD, and between BC and BD 45 minus theta is there. I have to include theta because I need to calculate that angle. So in the question I got to bring that angle, that is why I have done half BC into BD into sine 45 minus theta. Sine 45 minus theta. So half into A into BD is equal to sine 45 minus theta. Then as per the question, delta 1 is root 3 times delta 2. The bigger triangle is root 3 times the smaller triangle. So we substitute the value of area of triangle delta 1 and area delta 2, from which we cancelled BD, we got C sine theta is equal to root 3 A sine 45 minus theta. Now C means sine K sine C. A means K sine A. K and K will cancel. This is sine rule. This is by sine rule. So sine C, C is 60. Sine 60 into sine theta is equal to root 3 sine A is 75. Sine 75, sine 45 minus theta. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, we know the value. Sine theta into root 3 into sine 75, sine 45 minus 45 minus theta. We're just copying the question. Root 3 will cancel. Sine, now I have to calculate the value of sine 45 because sine 45 is not 75 is not a standard value. So we calculated with the help of 45 plus 30, which came out to be root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. From this we did, and we achieved something. Wherever we could cancel, we cancelled it. Sine 45 minus theta was written as sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, and from that, because sine 45 as well as cos 45 both have got 1 upon root 2 values, so I took out that common, and root 2 sine theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon root 2 cos theta minus sine theta. I transferred root 2 from right side to left side because root 2 into root 2 will multiply and give us 2. 2 sine theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 cos theta minus root 3 plus 1 sine theta. We brought sine theta terms to one side, took out common sine theta, and we achieved 3 plus root 3. On the right hand side, I have root 3 plus 1 cos theta. I divided sine theta by cos theta and transferred the constant term on the right hand side. We realize sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Root 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus root 3. In this I took root 3 common. Root 3 plus 1 from the numerator cancel with root 3 plus 1 from the denominator. And we are left with tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is tan 30. So tan theta is equal to tan 30. Theta is 30. And what is the value of theta? Theta is ABD, angle ABD, which comes out to be 30 degree, and that is the value which we wanted to calculate. So this is the whole question.